Here it is, our bird feeder that William keeps full. The birds are kind of swarming it. They're all over the ground. They come up to what I call the holding pattern in this tree. They fly back and forth and sort of take turns. There's a couple of cardinals out there. One is on the ground. We're not going to be able to see her. Oh, there's the male cardinal. He's in the tree right here, the red bird. The female's down on the ground. She's pretty dark colored. Oh, he's pretty. Wonder if he'll make a move for this or not. Then we've got a nuthatch on the top and sparrows. Oop, something spooked him from down below.